Hello, welcome to CNCC. My name is John Anderson. I'm the Vice President of Student Services here at the Craig campus. Just wanted to show you a few more things that we are doing to help keep our staffs, students, and faculty safe here at CNCC. As you can see, we have our hand sanitization and mask stations at every doorway. So for hand sanitization, all you do is just one little pump here. Rub your hands together thoroughly for about 20 seconds or until it's dry, and that is all you need to do there. We also are providing some Clorox disinfecting wipes, so you can wipe down your areas, desks, tables, commonly touched areas, so that way students can also be safe that way. We're also supplying some disposable masks, and for CNCC students, if you haven't received a CNCC mask yet, please stop by my office here in Craig, or the Student Services offices there in Rangeley and pick up your mask.